Back at Herdina today. Gonna walk down the wash some. It heads all the way out to like around 191 and probably goes straight on to Gemini Bridges. I'm not gonna walk the whole thing, but it's pretty impressive already just looking at the erosion down here. It's gonna take a while to get the hang of that. It is just slot canyon after slot canyon, which is cool, but it's gonna take a long time to get to know it. Whale arch there. So this is definitely going to be our last video from Herdina for a little while. I'll definitely be back out here. Man, what a massive area. After hiking down the wash and then seeing how it just splits into slot canyons that go in every direction, it gets me even more excited because it's just more areas that I'm going to be able to explore. But thank you very much for watching this series. Like I said, it's going to be the last one in Herdina for a little while. But if you did enjoy this, hit that subscribe button and we will see you next time. Thanks. Take care.